नमस्कार. माझं नाव पंकज पाटील आणि मी इम्पॅक्ट इन्व्हेस्टिंग स्पेसमध्ये काम करतो. सो आय बी व्हेरी क्विक. मी मागचे 12 वर्ष झाले, जसं आनंद सरांनी सांगितलं, माझ्या आईच्या नावाने एक फाउंडेशन रन करतोय, पुष्पा पाटील फाउंडेशन. Able to show the slide, but anyways, so we work at the intersection of education, sustainability and energy transition. What we do is we work with Women's Self-Help Group and Education Institute, helping young students understand how energy transition, sustainability, climate change is going to impact them and how they can be better prepared. तर आम्ही त्यांना स्किल इम्पार्टमेंट जे असतं त्याच्यावरती काम करत असतो आणि this work we have been doing for last 12 years. So I will just read some numbers for you. तर आतापर्यंत आम्ही we have sponsored education of more than 500 girls. We basically focus on girls education. कारण बुलढाण्यासारख्या जिल्ह्यामध्ये जिथे बॅकवर्डनेस थोडासा जास्त आहे, इकॉनॉमिक सिच्युएशन वीक आहे, तिथे मुलींचा ड्रॉपआउट रेशो इज व्हेरी हाय. सो वी really focus on girls education. We have set up libraries in 15 schools. We have donated books to these schools. Again, basically focused on green education. Along with that, we also do work. We have set up some hydroponic plants in the district as well. When it comes to Garje Marathi, Anand Saranchi introduction झाल्यानंतर we thought that it's a great platform. So we are working with Garje Marathi now. आणि ऑलरेडी आम्ही 3 इनिशिएटिव्ह बुलढाणा डिस्ट्रिक्टमध्ये इनिशिएट केलेले आहेत. सो वी आर वर्किंग विथ इंजिनिअरिंग इन्स्टिट्यूट, इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेजेस, वेअर वी आर प्लॅनिंग टू सेट अप व्हेंचर कॅपिटल फंड अँड इन्क्युबेशन सेंटर्स. कारण जे यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आहे, वी आर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व लोकल इश्यूज, फाइंड सोल्युशन टू लोकल प्रॉब्लेम्स, addressing rural economy in India, agri economy. So we are planning to support those ventures. We also conducted an investment session focused on Buldana district. And the third activity जे आम्ही करतोय, that is focused on agri economy. So basically to promote sustainable, resilient agriculture in rural India. That's our motto. So we are working on that as well. And if anyone is interested to know more, if anyone is really interested in working at the grassroots level, addressing issues for the rural agrarian economy, get in touch with us. We are really excited to be here and work and expand this, scale up this work. Thank you so much.